Hello, monkey. You have to get rid of this. And we have to do a bunch of things. We are creating a battle group. It's not already spawned. Which means this fight is disconnected from the boss that is already in the cave. How would I connect that to the initial fight? Either we don't spawn it when we had this fight, we need to fight this fight, or we have to signal it after the fight. When we spawn it, problem is, if I don't spawn it and lose, we won't see the boss in the overworld where normally you would see him. It's not a big detail, but it is a detail. What can we do? No dispatcher. Ugh. We could also ignore this, even this, and fight it from there. What happens if we win the fight against the existing overworld boss? Wait, he landed? I didn't even see. Is he gone? Yes. How does he disappear? Is now the question. Give me a sec. I mean, we do spawn it. Under interactable. It's one. Oh lord. A lot. this one. After reward. A good sign. Aha! Trial or playing and boss. I mean, the idea is the same. I could just search for the interactable instead of getting the one that is triggered. So, I have here anywhere. I do get to some point. And I could also, yeah, get to root. Get interactive. Find. Oh, we need this ID. Get it from our opponent. How do we know which competitor the real one? Ah, reward battle group instant. Hello, Scene. Hello, Raiders. How are you guys? I am right now testing things. Find out how to implement a thing. Walking around. Okay, here we are. It happens when it says none. Was not able to find it. Or it was able to find it, but it has no ID. This guy, if this right now. Oh yeah, it's the 5th island with the boss. But yeah, the levels themselves are just very, very simplistic right now. I didn't put any effort in them. So it does not represent my vision. I just needed some different levels so I can walk around and do stuff. Okay, so this guy doesn't give us an ID. That's a shame. Is this even valid? Let's see. I mean, I could also go with breakpoints there, but maybe not because we have UIs open. How was your day, Steen? Or I mean, probably not over yet, so... Yeah. Well, let's see. It is false. In that point, we already removed the competitor. That's good to hear. Okay, so we cannot do this. probably destroys it. The arena, the thing, yeah, the competitors get destroyed already there. How do I get the ID then? Do I just... really bad. I could make a variable and just call it, I don't know, ending whatever enemy battle ID or something. I would need to memorize it here. If this is always happening. We have a battle queue. It is a workaround, but whatever. Can we get the type? Should we name it if there is nothing else? Not set, how about that? Not a for each loop, right? Good. Okay. So with this, I will have the ID. Can ask here now. Let's ask here. And then see what kind of answer we'll get. So the other thing will still be false, of course, but hopefully we will get boss 1 as the name there. Let's see. And what do we get? None. That thing has no ID. Doesn't matter what we do. But why? Wait. It's the memorized one. It says error file 0. Yeah. Could look into whatever is inside here when we do a breakpoint, and hopefully the breakpoint goes through. If not, the object will be deleted, I assume. I mean, we could look into it before cleanup. At least then we would know what we have to do next. So let's walk to the boss again from the top. Let's see. So if we go here, fight it, and then don't remove the reward page, then we will be able to see. Logging failed. Never mind, the cleanup happens here. It is gone now. And since the debugging happens, everything else is broken now too. Doesn't matter. Tools. Let's look anyway. Competitor. Yeah, there's no competitor here right now. Needs to be in the fight. If I go here, this competitor would have it. Competitor. There it is, boss. Where's the ID? Can this have an ID? Huh? Battle group ID. Oh, it's from the group instance. Never mind. Need to find the group instance here. Oh my god. Battle group ID is none. Either I have to fill that in, or it is saved somewhere else. I think the correct way is to fill it in. Let's fill it in. Where was it? Battle starters here. Battle group ID. Initialize. Set ID. Why don't we have the ID here? Is it set already somewhere? Normally? Whatever the reason is. So this. Not only that, we need to do it here too. Now we should be able to see what's going on afterwards. Memorization should be happening. Should. And then here should get the name. Yeah, let's test this. Okay. Let's see. Oh, this guy's done for. Enter, and what do we get? Still none? That means the ID is not in there. This guy doesn't have an ID. Probably. How would we find out? Battle group info struct. What? Wait, this is not... This is the wrong one. We need... whatever is in here. God damn it. There's no ID. Okay, fine. Instead of using that ID, we just use the from the data table in here. And the same goes here. Payload inside there. Okay, now there is just no way it has a none in there. It's just no way. Also, it should never be none. Oh, no. Of course it is none. Because we are overriding it. So not set is getting overwritten by none. That's also interesting to know. Anyway, go to the boss once again. And then make sure that it actually has the ID. And the monkey's happy. Because then we can actually look and check things. First fight. We win this. Skip that. And boss one. Perfect. So the same thing should happen here. Boss one. Yes. Okay, so we got it covered. Although we don't need it in the second one. It really doesn't matter. But yeah. So we have the ID. We would need to check here. Okay, first of all, I can clean up this thing from the root. Interactables. No, not interactables. How did we clean it up? From the root. Let's see, root. This. Clean up here. No. No, not the root. Would need the interactable from the root. Maybe this? No. Maybe this? No. Nope. Okay, where did we do it then? Here? No. Maybe. No. Forgot. Damn it. I just had it. Never mind. It's right in front of us, no? Here. This boss and whatever. If true, we look if interactable is valid and clean it up. That's what's happening. So what we have to do now is instead of using this ID or this is valid, interactable that triggered. Yeah, instead of looking at if this is valid, we just go here, find the thing, and use this if for safety reasons. Go there then. Don't need this anymore. All of this. This would go in here. And the cleanup would be with this. Damn it. This is our abstract interaction object, and this abstract interaction object. What's the problem? This goes into way somewhere there. Oh, the level root. I don't even need this to found. We can do that. Whatever. If false, we can say print boss error, boss interactable, and this ID is not found. Could not be found. Okay. Cleanup happens. Here. And instead, this goes in here. And boss goes now down here. No. Oh wait, Alt here. File. This boss. Screw goes down. Fall there. Ends up there and okay. We do this and we do this. So the idea is when I fight the event boss now, the interactable should also be cleaned up. That's the idea. And if I fought the boss, we need to implement this still. Then the event doesn't happen anymore. But the boss that is in the cave, just waiting there, can then be fought, and then it resets or goes away when we win. That's the idea. Let's find out. For the first part. Oh, fighting here, and hopefully we don't have any errors. And it's gone. Perfect. Now, of course, the second thing also happens. The only thing I need to also keep in mind is when boss fight event, disable bulk animation. There's H missing. So now we have to memorize the fight if we won. Yeah, okay. So this guy needs to be stopped. First of all, we have to rename this into Boss Battle Starter. We're actually looking at bosses here. Do that first. Action. Starter is boss battle starter. If everything. Then, if the boss battle doesn't happen, we still have to enable walking, etc. I would assume. Oh. We need the storage and need to see if a certain string is in there. So let's add this into our thingy. Now, where are you? Blueprint, storage, data, and here defeated bosses. This is an array. And then we just add it in there when we have one. But first, Artsisium need this guy. Get storage and defeated contains, if true, you have to do the finish whatever with a print maybe, so I can see if it works right now. Error. Yes. Do that. I assume we will not be able to walk. But if this is false, then we do the boss battle. So what we have to do, we go in, fight the boss, go out, go in it again, and then this code should trigger the error here. Actually no, because I didn't add the thing after the defeats. Battle. Should be here in the trigger. Boss. Memorize for cleanup. Then get storage. Boss. Get add unique. On. There. And now it should work. Last. Okay, defeat this guy. Out. Go in again, and it should not start the fight. This thing is there, and our movement is blocked. So now I have to add the resolve, and this is actually finished. Let's clean up first. This is a huge mess. First the summoner. Last. Don't need the error message anymore. Oh no, we still need this one. Sure. Don't need the other one. Something like this. Better than nothing. Now, how do we solve? First, we need to see what's happened. We have the thing that air fade out. They're doing the fading. Resume world logic and enable controls. This needs to happen. Problem is happen. Where do we resume it? No, it was here. Maybe just don't go in here. Don't. Or do I? How would I? Hello, baby. How would I counter it there already? How do I do it here? Because this event start thing could be anything. It's not only boss. I need some kind of condition. A modular condition thing here in front if I want to do it that way. Maybe that's too complicated. How are you doing, man? You good, baby? What day is the 17th? Your arm hurts. Well, I'm sleepy. Let's see. I could add a switch that is then looked in here to make a break. Maybe that's a good idea. Maybe I could just say, hey, the root has some kind of switching there. Frost! You have to restart your editor. Okay. Welcome. Long time no see. How are you doing? Not again. But yes, I'm also sleepy. You too? Well, in my case, it's Minecraft. I'm in a bad sleep cycle because of Minecraft. How about you? Is work overwhelming? So let's add something special here. Event cancel condition, and then for the root we now add an enum. Level root event cancel enum. And then we say not set, which will do nothing. Boss. And now this whatever, this needs to be cleaned up here. Yeah. You like this? No, that's bad. Whatever. Like this now. Ah. Here. Here. And then on here, this guy has the event cancel. It doesn't have it because we didn't save it. Event cancel enum, and then here event cancel enum, switch, and here we go. Now let's think. If we have an event and it is valid, we have to go in here true. Not set goes in here, but if it is set, then I have to check if we have fought it or not. Oof, how do I get here the event's ID or payload? Oh god, okay. Big brain time, big brain time. Come on, big brain time. Yes. One trigger ID is boss. Not helpful, but we could look here in chain command payload. Get it from here. Okay. Island route is valid. Then we can get event. What is it? This thing, right? Event CC interaction to fire at spawn. Yes. And then payload from the chain. And it is the first thing in there. Chain command payload is the first thing in there. So get this thing. And then do we have to route here? Yes, but we need the... And we don't have it. The storage. Get storage. Then defeated bosses. Contain. Is there a not contain? No. Contains item. This thing. If true, we abort. If false, we go in here. Alright. And here's our first cancel condition. Like so. Need to organize a little bit. Like so. And here we go. I think we finished the implementation now. Now we should be able to fight the boss, go outside, go inside, and be able to walk again. And if we can walk, we are finally finished with the whole key exit revamp stuff, and we can start with the rest of the cleanup. So yeah, Frost, many things have changed. I don't think that you saw these things before. Maybe I already had this, but I'm not sure when you were last here. The missing representation is from the start area, which is fine. Here's the boss. Textures. Oh man, my god, that's so far away now. Okay, let's defeat him. We defeated him. It is stored in our storage. We go out. And if I go in, there should be no fight anymore. And we cannot walk. Why? Ah, of course. We did not set the cancel switch. Very important that firstly it is exposed. here. Second, it is set to boss. And we save this and we try again. Oh god, 4 months? Or did you have a break? The last time you met, there was already this break. Because I don't think it was 4 months last time I saw you, right? Right? Can't be 4 months. Oh god, it was 4 months, wasn't it? Speaking of time, we're reaching 2 years of development soon, which is on the 28th of May. 28th or 29th? I'm not sure. Something around there. There's the start of our little adventure here. It was on a Sunday 2 years ago, in the last days of May. I mean, yes, I remember talking about that. And I played it a little, but I lost interest pretty quick. Yeah, now there are textures which are dummy. Like, they are very seamless, which I'm proud of, but I'm not sure if I should have done it this perfectly. Maybe I will change the way this will all be handled, but yeah. Many things happened. We even have music in the game now, which I turned off for now. But after this, after the cleanup and so on, I will go back to music again. I will try to do stuff with meta sounds and try to get something in there. Yes, Squidward is still there. And we walk? Yes, we are done. So yeah, you probably didn't see this before, but we now have these flowers which open. If we have energy, we can collect it and get a key. And with this key, I can go to the exit, which is also a flower, which opens up them for us normally, but right now it's broken by Ever. Why is this broken now? We have the key, right? Okay, we have to check the strings. And then maybe I will remove the whole cheat for everything so we can see if anything doesn't work or something. This guy. One to 5, hub 1. I guess this key is not hub 1. Yes, 0, 1. So do we keep 0, 1? That is level. Island. Maybe it's called exit. Exit. One. Yeah, that's the one. It's called Hub 1 here too. Oh, are we going to call it 0, 1 or 1? It really doesn't matter. We should go with Hub 1. Was it case hub? So Hub 1, Hub 1, save. Then this is fine. We now want to get rid of all the cheats except the strong Orpling. That's resets player. This guy fine. Storage, this one here. Let's reset everything. Boom. Fine, this is fine. Boom. And remove, add this. Save. And then we go to main, and now we go through all the islands, get the key, and jump. So, island number 1, pretty easy. I will not do the fights. I'll just give myself the energy. Get that out. And now you can see the flower opening. Then we can interact with it, go to the next. I believe it's in here. One, two, three. Actually, 2 were enough here. There are only 2 Orplings. Juked. Funny enough, this has grass walk sound still. I don't know why. Maybe the bridge is not the blueprint, but a static mesh. Now I don't know where the flower was here. Probably not here, but in the next cave. Let's go. Could be in here. Yes. Me. How many Orplings are in here? Oh god, that's a lot. Okay. So to perfect this island, you have to fight a lot of Orplings, which is not okay, I think. I really need to change the way these Orplings spawn and stuff. Because the idea was to have cluster with many Orplings, but since you have to fight every single Orpling to perfect this, waiting for them to land is a hassle. Yes, Snake. It was a trial Orpling. If you fight that Orpling, you can get its attack and then use it in the merging process on your own Orplings to get its attack integrated one in your Orplings. You will have that attack unlocked forever. You just need to pay. I believe the key was in here. Okay, works. Now we go fight the boss. What kind of mechanic? What do you mean pay to win? You little shit. It's not... Maybe I will make it pay to win only for you, Bevy. You have to pay so you can get the points to go to the next level. Yes, you have to pay with the energy you're collected. Not with real money. What the hell, man? So we fight the boss. Kick his ass. That error is still something else. It is with the swarms trying to land and then have no path. Should be actually turned off when we are in the caves, but they are not. There are more errors there. It will be fun to fix that, I guess. Anyway, boss dead. We get its thing. Doesn't matter, but we can now get the flower. Go out. Come to the next. And now the sky needs to open. There we go. And we cannot use it. What's going on here? Interaction. Okay, I need the trigger points. Here. Okay, that's not the trigger points. I need the player. Yeah, player. And that's overworlds player entity interaction. Exit. Here. This should be what's happening. What's going on here? Interaction payload is 1.5 hub 1. Goes through. This should be found. Cannot find it. The entry is not there. Let's try it again. I can get the string. Okay, the string is 1.5 hub 1. 1.5 hub 1. Get away. Ah, okay, I changed it here too. I didn't change it everywhere, that's the problem. Okay, last test. And then we are actually finished and can go to the cleanup. God damn it, I don't have to cheat. I don't want to add the cheat right now. Let's just bite the bullets. It's very funny that walking on there is still grass. Yeah. I need to go this way. Ah, this was still wrong. Yeah. Don't you dare touch me, you fishy. Everyone is blocking my way. Yeah. Donut. Juked. Here. Snake. Somehow very odd pathing there. And the boss. Can add energy already. Fight the boss. Kill the boss. This. And now and go into the flower and go inside. Alright. You're back home. Now ideally if I go to the boss again, the fight doesn't start. I have to manually go to the boss and start the fight. So let's test this. Almost a Tom Cruise line. I like that idea. I mean, Mission Impossible is coming to the cinema soon, no? I just need to make the animation faster. But yeah, me and animating, I am so bad. Yes. Oh god. That guy is 70, isn't he? And he's still doing movies and he's in top form. How old is Tom Cruise, man? Okay, the boss fight shouldn't happen here now. Google it! Find out! I need to know. $62! My god, man. And here we go. Yay! Fight didn't happen, which means I can start the fight here. Die! Open. E. Okay. So we are actually done. Finally. Let's clean up this guy. Then go to our issue board. And see. After boss fight, defeat needs to be memorized. Boss auto triggers only if undefeated yet. Auto trigger boss should remove spawned boss. Spawned boss should be there when visiting again next session. When boss fight event, disable walk animation. Entering boss cave, leaving and entering again should work. Nice. So now we can see remove portal 3D asset. Let's save everything. 3D world tiles asset. Our portal. No, it's not here, right? Where's the exit? Island course, flower, entrance, exit. There it is. Goodbye. Force delete. Entrance, exit. Blueprints. Interaction. Exit. Where is that thing? Islands. Asset, exit. Here. There it is. Bye. Wish I was done. I am working on a game jam up. I mean, what I'm doing here is also like 2 weeks now. 2 or 3 weeks. I started this. Let me show you. The idea was following this string, and then I was like, yeah, we need to update all islands again. And then when I did it, I opened a Pandora box with many changes for I don't know how long, and then I opened another Pandora box with the exit entrance thing, which is this, where I wanted to have like everything revamped. Oh my god, I cannot say the word. So the key and exit behaves differently. I don't have the exit UI anymore. Everything is a little simpler. And it works. And there are animations for the flower opening and closing. So that was like 3 weeks now, I think. We are finally done with it. I just need to clean up these things now. Removed portal 3D asset. Remove portal UI. That is the exit UI. That is no longer needed. UI. Exit. What? Maybe it's not content. Is it portal then? What is that? Where is our exit? Exit? Did I remove it already? Can't be. I didn't remove it yet, did I? Controllers? Controller? I don't remember. I did. I mean, I removed it here. I remember that I removed it from these things. Get is not there. Action. There is no exit thing here, so I probably deleted it. Well, I guess I deleted it. Remove portal UI. Get rid of the point of interest code. Okay. First, we need the root. And root. Initialize. Active here. Point of interest. The gate exit. POI type. Or POI type. We don't need this. E is still there. Interactive Orpling, trial, item pickup, spawn. Fine. This goes away. Trial Orpling, spawn key. On. I think that's it. Then here. I mean, what's with the key? Probably also don't need the key anymore. Right? This is removed everywhere. We can go and spawn probably also doesn't need a code. Although we have it everywhere, but there is no code for it. That's fine, we can keep that one. But that's it for that. Cleaned up. Get rid of this. Remove key from battle group struct. What? You mean the reward? Battle group struct. One. Here, this thing. Let's see. Where do we use it? Yeah, use it in a lot of places. Initialize battle group. The items. Island keys. Reward island keys. Reward island keys. Go away. Make these two. This. Fine. Here. Large. Oh my god. Nice. Yeah. Oh dear. Oh, hold on. Forgot to remove it here too. And this function being used? Why not? Island. This is not. Or add island key storage. That's gone. Oops. A lot of code with the battle. Oh, I need the struct battle group info struct. How do I remove this here? This is key items. Battle reward island keys. Save. Good. This is funny. Let's okay. Done. That's it. Code is gone. Done. Do I have to do where else? The storage. Battle storage. This is deprecated. Map. Collected island keys array. I think this is also the contains key and we never added. And the function never is being used. Contain keys. Oh. Storage. This thing can go after file. Bye. Now this is its own thing that we have to remove. Places here, warning. Read the value of what is this? Set all paths, full state. Why are we still using this? Are we using this? Interesting. I think this is broken code. Either that, or permanent powered, or we are actually using this still. I mean, we have to, or else my stuff wouldn't work. I only get thing. Ah. Yeah, I'm not sure about this thing. We are not adding anything in there, but we do initialize the world map with it. I think there is some kind of error here. What's going on? Ah, this is the old map. The old map can go to hell. UI controller. Active menu keys. Active. It's called something else. UI enum. Okay. Input locker, main menu dialog. Battle item shop. World map. Away. On there. There. UI controller. Gone. There's here. World map interaction. Yes. Anything else? Find signal. UI signal. No value will be returned. Don't care. Default invalid for key. Get world map. Does this mean we can now just remove it? Map. Go away. Oh my god. Please be saved. I hate it when this happens, man. Such a mess. On here at least. Ah, this is a mess. I don't know if everything is actually gone or not. God damn it, man. That guy is still there. Use Matthew here. Okay, the old world map is also gone. Means we are clean, hopefully, if didn't die. I mean, I don't see it here. I don't even know what it was called. Battle Reward Island Key or something. Battle Reward Island. No, nothing being found. Well, our issue board. Not input. Board. Yeah, it's hard else and problem whatever. This is gone. I think the cleanup should be fine. I have to trust Unreal on this. Although I have no trust on him right now, and I would go crazy if I had to find it now. It seems okay. It seems to be gone. Anything else here? that. Where's our UI controller? There. Get menus. Main menu, Orpling Manager, Orpling Shop, Battle UI, Item, Teleporter menu, Battle Reward page, Recovery menu, Discard and yeah, that's fine. Okay, we are actually done. Okay, the cleanup is also done now. Word. So the notes, are they important? Poland. Key from key flower up by and flower to get size of okay. Poland energy touch flower. Root. We need a part where it's on the lower corner. Fine. This note. It's not important. Battle start explosion. Sometimes this is a little bug. Ion. This is something we have to tackle. Okay, we are actually done with that. Fix fixables. Boss when returning has 0 position on Z. Okay, this is a bug we should maybe look at. I look at it right now? I don't know. Alright, I'm not sure what we will do next. We completed a major update. Now the thing is, do I search for this unfindable error? Or do I tackle a big task? Should I make music where I'm so not talented with music? I want to experiment with meta sounds. and see what I can do with music. Like transitioning to different places and whatever from certain areas of the music. That would be ideal. Like, I don't know, we have like the music and then we transition into a more hype thing where maybe even, I don't know, increase the speed of the thing. I don't know. We could do many things. We have here. These are all little bug fixes. Not so important. Okay, I will decide on a whim when I start tomorrow. But that's it for today. So Frost, Bevy, thanks for tuning in. Everyone, thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. And I will see you guys next time. Bye bye, monkey.